Magpasiga na ang mga dayan-dayan sa Pasko sa Kapitolyo. Three, two, one! Malipayong Pasko, Sugbo!
Kapit sa kahimayaan, mauray akong nakita ang barangay na masanang.
Dili man bongga nga dekorasyon o selebrasyon, apan gipadayag ang kahayag sa Kapitolyo, timaan sa kalig-on o kamalipayon sa pagsaulog sa Pasko. Ang Pasko sa Kapitolyo, Pasko sa kahayag, paglaum o pagbangon sa mga Cebuano.
Tonight is special. This is my first Christmas tree lighting as your governor. And I cannot pretend it is just another ceremony. This moment means something far deeper to me because this year has tested Cebu in ways we will never forget. This year, Cebu has felt like one big family, hurting together, rebuilding together, and now hoping together. As what I've always tell everybody in the governor's office, the meaning of hope: hold on, pain ends. This is why tonight is more than tradition. It is a symbol of healing, of unity, of beginnings that feel fragile but real. And because I carry that responsibility as your governor and as the mother of this province, I want to use this time to make this announcement. There will be no grand capital Christmas party this year. Smaller celebrations per office can still take place because I know our hardworking employees have also been looking forward to this. But the usual big gathering will not happen. This Christmas is not about extravagance. It is about reflection. About choosing to be better and not bitter. Kinder and not angrier. More united, not divided. Let this light remind us that Cebu deserves a gentler tomorrow. That tomorrow begins with us, how we speak, how we care, and how we help, and how we heal. May this Christmas be the beginning of reconciliation, the beginning of wiser choices, the beginning of a Cebu where compassion is stronger than politics, and where public service is truly for the public. Most importantly, to the Cebuanos, thank you to your continued trust and your strength. You have gone through so much, but you have been so strong. But I know you deserve so much better. That's why I promise you, we will be better. You now have a provincial government that will have your welfare as a top priority. And we will not stop until we get justice for Cebu. There is no better time for us to push for this new start than the Christmas season. So together, let us welcome a Christmas of hope and a new year grounded in humility, unity, and love for Cebu. Thank you to everyone, and I sincerely wish all of you usa ka malipayong ug mabulahang Pasko. Daghang salamat.
Ako, si 𝗤𝗣𝗍𝗍, Malipayong Pasko, Sugbo.